Hello Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Today's video is going to be a bit different because I have, oh my goodness, 30 samples or so to share with you. You know, I've had a lot of the new product for about 6 weeks now, and I have been stamping like crazy. Now, a lot of these projects I'll share eventually over the coming 2, 3, 4 months with you, but I thought today I would just do a sneak peek video. I'll show you all the stamping I've been doing over the last 6 months with all brand new products from the new catalog. So I thought you'd enjoy that since now this catalog is available. Now, quick reminder before I flip the camera down, if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. I'd love to help you order Stampin' Up! Product, answer all your questions, and get a catalog to you if you'd like one. Just look down in the description right down there of this video and it'll take you over to my website. Click on catalogs and you'll be able to request one over there. And as always, I'm here to help you with all your stamping needs. So if you have questions or anything, make sure to leave me a comment or reach out to me so that I can help you. Now, are you ready to see a ton of new stamping ideas? Hang on, let's flip the camera down. Now, like I said, I've been stamping like crazy for the last 4 or 5 weeks with all brand new products. So I just want to give you sneak peeks of some of the things I've made. So first off, let's look at the Birds and Branches stamp set. Oh my goodness, the dies, the stamps, I love it, I love it. Detailed, it's bold, so there's no coloring, which I love when my ink pads do the work for me. And I also like that the stamp set doesn't come with any greetings. So when I make cards, I can just add whatever greeting I want. So let's take a peek here. Now, like I said, this is a sneak peek. So eventually I'll do a video on all of these cards and a blog post that'll give you all the dimensions and all the details. So for now, you're just getting the sneak peek. But isn't this, very springy? I really like these. And then here I was playing with some of the new in colors and just the dies. So you can see these dies will cut out the shapes, or you can stamp and cut out as well. So let's stick this one aside. Next, I have the Beautiful World bundle. Great masculine set. And, globes are kind of a trendy thing right now. So again, been playing a lot. This is a whole suite of products. So we have gorgeous designer series paper that coordinate. So now a few of these ideas where you see a lot of the paper, and I'm working on projects for my paper share. Now, if you missed my email about it, I will be doing a paper share in August. We're going to wait till then. And all these papers you see will be part of the paper share. But I'm waiting till August just to assure that Stampin' Up! Has gotten everything in, with what's been going on in the world. We've had some back order issues and stuff, and I'd hate to plan the paper share and it not be available. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second. I want to just show with these dies, you can stamp and cut, or again, you can just cut out the images. So can't wait to share all the details on these cards at a future date with you, but great masculine set called Beautiful World. I feel like I'm trying to multitask too much here, show you and talk to you. Back to that paper share. The one thing I do with my paper share is I send you a 4x6 piece of all the designer series papers, of which you're seeing a lot of them. Here's some more. And then I also send you a coordinating card base to go with every one of those pieces. This year I'm doing something different, and it's going to give you a tutorial that'll give you 10 different layouts and ways to use these beautiful papers and card bases. So and you'll get that for free when you participate in the paper share. So some of these projects are what I'm working on for that tutorial. But back to this, Tasteful Touches. This coordinates with this bundle of a bunch of labels. Love these dies. I love how they layer together, but this flower is so neat. This one I have to fussy cut. Okay, there's no dies that cut it out, but it's pretty easy to do that. To just a quick masculine card, and then here again is that flower. I think I'm going to be using that one quite a bit. So there are the cards that I've made so far that go with Tasteful Touches. I won't say textures, but it's touches. Next, I have the Celebrate Sunflowers, and this is one of those die or stamp sets that been getting a lot of use. I've been seeing a lot of stuff out there already with the coordinating dies. Some of these cards you've seen. I think I shared these before, just kind of trying to show off the new in colors and some of the new designer series paper. Here I did some watercoloring, kept this one simple with no coloring. And then here, not even using the dies. So it's a great set for quick and easy cards too. So can't wait to share all the details on these cards plus more. I got a whole lot more that are in my head that I plan on making with the Celebrate Sunflower. I'm sure this will be a well-used and shared set. Well, and then you know me, I am all about the designer series paper. So I made a bunch of cards using the Flowers for Every Season paper. This is a 6x6 paper pack, so it's got tons of prints. But again, these are ones I'm working on that are going to be part of that tutorial that you'll get for free if you participate in my paper share. So we got a bunch of those going. Aren't these papers gorgeous? And I was playing, whoops, got them all different directions here. So, and then just those two. So that is that pretty paper. It is part of a suite, but the only thing I got is the paper for right now. And, oh, we got these laying here, a couple more. You guys, if you saw my table, you would see I have like cards and paper and stamps and all of that everywhere. So there are those cards. Then there is probably my favorite, and you can tell by all the cards we've made, the Forever Fern stamp set and the whole suite of products. Now, some of these you've seen already. I think this was a recent video, and so was this one. But I thought as long as we're sharing these, I just want you guys to know how much stamping I've been doing. So then I have 6 fun fold cards that I have made with this, which is my June online class that you can get for free. If you don't have the details on that, hop over to my website so you don't make sure you don't miss out on that, or you can purchase the tutorial for that. Let's see, what other cards do we have here? Here's a few more with the Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper. But guys, I can't show those to you. These are ones I'm working on for our Creativate retreat that's coming up in July. So if you haven't registered yet or you haven't seen the information on that, make sure again you hop over to my website. It is the best online stamping retreat out there. You will get 10 live, Facebook Live, or watch them as replays, presentations sharing tons of projects, 10 different projects, lots of extra samples. It's fabulous. So make sure you check out that information because we'd love to have you join us. And I promise the projects are so cool. And then finally, and I completely forgot the name of the stamp set. So I'm just going to show you the cards. The stamp set a friend of mine borrowed right now, so I don't have it with me. One great big stamp makes life so easy. This is a great stamp set. You don't have to do any layering. You can do quick and easy. We've done some watercoloring. I've got a whole bunch of techniques up my sleeve to share with this stamp set. And then check out the coordinating dies. So here's the layering look. Here I just use one of the dies along with the stamping. So you can combine, you can just stamp, just use dies, or combine the two. Oh, there's another one that's just stamped. So more fun cards. And I think that's all that's in my pile here. I probably have more upstairs. So as you can see, I've been stamping like crazy. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. These will be all projects that I'll share at a later date with you. Don't forget, I shared a little bit of information about the upcoming paper share, but you have to wait till August. I'll post all the information there, but you don't want to miss out. So you'll be able to get all the brand new papers along with coordinating card bases and then a tutorial that will show you 10 different ways to use them. And then I'm sorry if you keep hearing the sump pump in the background. We've had a lot of rain and I'm trying to do the videos in between the sump pump going. So if the video seems a little choppy, I tried to stop and start and cut it out. And then don't forget about the Creativate retreat. You want to be part of that. It's just $45 for a full day of fun in a private Facebook group. So check that information out as well. Whew, that was a lot. So as always, guys, if you have any questions about anything, make sure you reach out to me. If you would like a catalog, hop to my website. And yeah, I'll be back stamping with you guys in a couple of days because I've got fun projects to share. Until then, have a stamp happy day.